What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's go shopping. I saw that FiveBelow has new Teeny Tinies, so let's find them. There's the grill, I got that, and the barista cart. Priced at $5. Here are some new minis that we can check out for the dollhouse. Is that a little popcorn machine? I'll take one of those and head back home. I got the 3 mini play sets for $5 each, so I spent $15. Just looking at these, they totally don't look 1/6 scale, which is Barbie. I would say they're probably closer to 1/12 scale, like maybe the FiveBelow Zoe dolls. Did we ever find out what a Barbie Extra Mini looks like on a Zoe body? This Barbie Extra Mini is another FiveBelow find from a while back. While Barbie Extra Minis do have articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee, Zoe dolls give us added wrist articulation and a little extra height. Wow, this head swap is pretty easy. The dolls didn't need any warm water or anything. And it fits! The skin tone match is pretty decent, however the Zoe body is kind of shiny. The Zoe body can kind of fit the clothes. The dress is a little more snug and shorter, but doable. Since Zoe feet are flexible, you might be able to wear the shoes, so that's an option. But she still has a big head, so I'll probably just use my Chelsea dolls on a Zoe body when I need a close to 6-inch doll. And I got them rocking some Barbie Extra fashion. Not a perfect fit, but it'll do. Now let's check out these playsets. I've seen the mini barbecue grill for a while. On the back, we can see all the items included. It says the grill doors open, which is a fun detail. Let's take it out of the box. There are 19 pieces. The grill is gray and black. There are knobs on the front. That looks like it's the little gauge. The top does open and there are details in there. There are 2 little areas on the sides. I think we can use this one for food prep and to hang some utensils, like these tongs. Can we get that to hang there? Come on. Yeah, we can. I want to say that's another cook station or cook area on the other side. Y'all, you know I don't cook, so yes, I'm totally struggling with the anatomy of a grill. But this is a door with a handle, and it opens. Both sides open, and that's pretty cool. This would look totally perfect by the pool. However, next to a Barbie, it's definitely kind of small. But if you were feeling crafty, you could probably build like a little stand for it to get some added height. Because for $5, we have some pretty cool details here. We have 2 grates that we can place on top, a little propane tank, which I thought was pretty cool. We can put that underneath. There's a fork, a knife, and tongs. In the hands of a Barbie, the tongs are kind of small. You might want to use them in the house instead of with a grill. Here's the fork and the knife. However, it comes with a pretty nice size white plate. There are 2 kebabs with painted details, an open hot dog bun, and a hot dog. There's a second one with mustard. However, the paint is a little smeared. But these items seem to be a pretty good size for a Barbie. There's a steak with painted details, hamburger buns, and a patty with cheese and tomatoes, where we can build the burger, which is pretty cool and totally reminds me of like that Barbie playset from back in the day. I don't know if it was Burger King or McDonald's, but we could build burgers in that playset and it was cool. There is also a ketchup and a mustard bottle that looks compatible with our 1/6 scale world. You can add a label and have your own mini brand. But as it is, I would say the grill is a perfect size for our little Chelsea hybrids. However, the food might be a little overscale. Or not, it's up to you. But since we have storage, everything can be neatly stored away inside when not in use. Let's take a look at the Teeny Tinies Cinema Stand Popcorn Machine. I'm sorry, Teeny Cinema Stand Popcorn Machine. It has 20 pieces, including a popcorn machine with wheels that roll. Oh my goodness, the top opens. And the door opens as well, with a shelf inside. This is actually kind of cute. I just wish it was 1/6 scale. And it's a tiny bit tall for our Chelsea hybrids, but kind of perfect for one of the Dream Ella extra minis or extra iconic mini extras, you know, these. There's a butter dispenser with a bucket of popcorn that is removable. Lots of little printed details there. That's cool. For the bucket of popcorn, the popcorn is painted yellow on top and there's a sticker around the side. There is a giant bag of caramel popcorn where they are printing the details, and I don't mind it on accessories. I just don't want it on my doll face. It has a little hook so we can hang it onto the cart. There's a bag of cotton candy with printed details, and this is actually kind of cute. It also has a hook where we can hang it on the cart, and we can use the hook to have the dolls hold it. But the hook is kind of flexible, so take care because it might fall out of the doll's hands or off the cart. We have 2 more popcorn sizes and they still have all the same details. There is a teeny tiny popcorn scoop. I think it's a little small for a Barbie, and it even might be under scale for a Chelsea doll. But I think this is where it goes on the cart. They made a space for it. There we go. We have seasonings. One says nacho cheddar and the other one says white cheddar. There's a little salt shaker. That's kind of cool. I think it works with a Chelsea doll and even a Barbie. We have a little plastic sculpted bag with stickers that say cookies. There's even a sticker on the back. And it says nutrition facts. What? And there's a barcode. It even says do not consume. Teeny Tinies has really leveled up on the details. And then we have a paper box. But it's okay, if you feel like crafting, you can put something in it. It says chocolate crunch, mini bites, and there are some details on the sides. There's a little pretzel, which looks pretty good. A plastic molded bag with a sticker on the front that says chocolate covered pretzels. There are no details on the back. Same with a bag of popcorn kernels. We have another box that says coated candy, and we do have some barcodes and nutrition facts on the sides, which is pretty cool. The box can open, so there are some crafting opportunities there, which kind of makes me rethink my feelings about getting boxes. We have another sculpted bag with stickers that says jelly worms, and there is a sticker detail on the back. The sculpted bags or molded plastic bags with the stickers makes me think that it's gonna just last longer because I can't crush it, where I can crush a box. But if we're careful, there shouldn't be an issue. And the stickers don't always lay neatly. We have 2 drinks. One says frozen slushy and the other one is red with a straw and it says soda. These drinks are small for a Barbie, but doable and a decent size for Chelsea. The tub of popcorn is totally perfect for a Barbie. Many of the food items could work. This could be a cute prop at a Chelsea birthday party. Or if you're a mini doll collector, this could be a fun find. And now the barista cart. I really wish this was 1/6 scale. That would be such a cool playset for our Barbies. Once again, we get 20 pieces, including a coffee cart that has a little cup of coffee on the top. There's a sign on the front, the wheels roll. This side can lift up and we use the poles to prop it up when we're open for business. There's a cash register sculpted onto the side. It says $11.44. Lots of counter space and some shelving on the side to display some goodies. And some tiny little storage areas. Do you see this tiny little drawer? It actually works. And this one works as well. And I think the door opens. Yep, and there's a shelf inside. The awning around the top is a sticker. We have what is listed as a coffee machine. The printing is off just a little, but I do enjoy all the little details. There's a matching coffee grinder with some printed details. The top is painted brown, and then there's a little sticker of coffee beans at the bottom. Oh wait, that's not painted. That's just brown plastic. so we can pretend to grind the beans and make the coffee, or take it and put it in our dollhouse kitchens. There's a sign, and we can actually read everything on the little sign. This will look cute in a dollhouse, on a counter, or on the counter of our dollhouse coffee shops. Let's bring a Barbie over for scale. Yeah, the cart is totally Chelsea-sized, but I think we can get away with the coffee machine and the coffee grinder. Maybe even a small bag of coffee. It's plastic with a sticker on the front. Here it is in a doll's hand. It's a little small, but I think doable. Here's a bottle of syrup flavor with a pump, an open and closed sign, a to-go tray. I think it's a little under scale. 2 to-go cups, again a little small. They do fit inside the to-go tray. There's a small container of sugar. It totally looks like a seasoning for our dolls. A small creamer. I think it's a little under scale, but could work. A coffee pot with a sticker. I think it's small even for this playset. A tiny cup of espresso. They painted the coffee on the inside. It's actually kind of perfect for a Disney Adorable. We have a puff pastry. Like many of the food items, this one's a good size. There's a slice of tiramisu with painted details, a muffin, a croissant, and a donut with pink frosting. Oh, this one says vanilla cream. Is this supposed to be the creamer? And what I thought was a creamer, is that supposed to be a mug? My bad. But with these $5 playsets from FiveBelow, I think we can get a few things for our 1/6 scale dolls and our 1/12-ish scale dolls. If you're a Chelsea collector, I think many of these are a good option, and with a little crafting, we might be able to make some of these work with our 1/6 scale dolls. For the grill, we can probably take a few scraps of foam board and glue them together to make a 3-inch platform. Glue more boxes onto the sides, cover it with scrapbook paper, cut and cover 2 more pieces of foam board with scrapbook paper to glue onto the sides. Then place the grill in the center to make it taller for a Barbie. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few playsets from FiveBelow. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.